This is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com with your weekly market update for the week beginning May the 4th. And I don't have to tell you, this has been a very powerful rally, over 38% since making new lows here back in early March. And markets cannot go up forever, and this would be a logical place to take a break. As you can see here, the NASDAQ is up against this dark dotted line here, which is the 200-day moving average, and up against this shaded area here, which is the upper Bollinger Band here. So this would be a logical place for the markets to take a break. Now, nothing is written in stone. The markets could move higher, but just a word of caution after a huge move like this. And the NASDAQ is clearly leading the other indexes with its 38.5% move up off the bottom. The S&P 500 has made a similar move here, but not quite as strong as the NASDAQ, up about 33% off the lows, which is very respectable to say the least. But as you can see here, not nearly up near the 200-day moving average as the NASDAQ is. It's a little weaker on the S&Ps. And looking at the Dow now, it's been the laggard with a 28% move up off the bottom and having trouble really clearing the 100-day moving average, this green dotted line, and nowhere near the 200-day average here. And a great exchange traded fund that I watch is the IWO, which is really the Russell 2000 growth shares, and this really is a great index for CanSlim type traders. Growth stock traders, and this really is the leader if it was to be considered an index, with a 43.5% move up off the bottom, and like the NASDAQ, coming up here into the 200-day moving average. So just to recap, the markets are coming up into some overhead resistance here, and it would be a logical place for the markets to take a little bit of a break if they want to. So a little extra caution here. So this week I want to do something a little different. I want to run through the leaders of this rally. And you might say this is a bear market rally, or maybe the start of a new bull market. We don't know yet. But here are some of the real leaders that have shown amazing strength. The first one here is ArcSight, and this one is up 286% after making some November lows here. And since breaking out on the 6th of March, it's up another 61%. So this is a real strong leader here. And here's one of my favorites, which is Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, and they're up 244% off their October lows here. And since breaking out on March the 16th, this stock is up 84%. So this is really, really moving. And another powerful leader is Vistaprint, and this is up 236% up off its November lows. And since breaking out on the 11th of March, right with the market, it's up 59%. And looking now at Buffalo Wild Wings, this is a very powerful restaurant stock, and certain restaurant stocks have done very well, even in the face of this terrible recession, if they have the right formula. And Buffalo Wild Wings is making money. They're up 207% off their November lows here, and since breaking out on the 10th of March with the market, it's up another 38%. And you would think that most clothing stores would be having a hard time, but Buckle is really doing well. They're up 182% off their November lows here, and up 50% since breaking out with the market here in March. Now you're probably noticing a theme here that a lot of stocks did make their lows in late 2008, and were making lows well ahead of the market here. So your leaders made their lows and started their up moves before the market finally took off here in early March. And this is pretty normal action for leading stocks, by the way. Taking a look now at Netflix, which is one of William O'Neill's favorite stocks. This, of course, is the company that mails the videos and DVDs directly to your house, instead of having to drive it back and forth to the video store. And they're doing great. This stock is up 181% off its late October lows here, and up another 50% since its breakout in late January. So this stock broke out ahead of the market and has continued higher here. And another strong retail clothing store is Joseph A. Banks, and this is up 176% off of its November lows here, and up 43% in a relatively short period of time since breaking out here in early April. And last but not least is Shanda Interactive. And Chinese internet gaming stocks have been super powerful, and this is in the same group as NetEase and the new IPO, strong IPO called CYOU. And this stock is up 173% off its early December lows here, and up 60% since breaking out with the market back here in March. So you know, there's plenty of strong leaders in this market. I don't have time to show you them all, but here's some of the real top leaders here. So we do have leadership in this market here, which is a great sign. Now, if you'd like to learn how to trade these and know when to take your profits and how to actually add shares as these stocks climb higher, I'd love you to come over to my site and take my free 2-week trial. Well, that's it for this week, and let's hope for a real good trading week coming up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. As you may know, making big money in stocks is all about being aboard the handful of true market leaders during a strong bull market. At goldandticker.com, we concentrate on locating only the strongest stocks and give you proper buy and sell points based upon our proven trading models. We also monitor the health of the general market to let you know when conditions are favorable. I'd like to invite you to begin your free 2-week trial at goldandticker.com now and get full access to all our stock picks, advanced lessons, and more.